So I bought a diffuser and it had an unfortunate accident. I took it back to Walmart because it was supposed to be guaranteed through Better Homes and Gardens and Walmart. Did they fix the problem? Watch the video to find out. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate. Let's see what happened to my Better Homes and Gardens diffuser. Well, I love my diffuser and it's worked very well for me up until about a week ago when I tried to cut it on and it failed to come on. So I thought, well, I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in and see if that's probably the cause. And when I unplugged it, this happened. So now, thankfully, I have it plugged into a plug extender, so I'm gonna have to take that out and call Better Homes and Gardens to see if I can get a replacement. But that is not cool. So this is what I mean. I have it plugged in like this, and so I'm assuming the plug is stuck in here, which if I can't get that out means I can't use my outlet extender. Da da da. Look at that thing. So I might have to play with this and see if I can find that in there, because I can't use it until it's safe. And I don't see it, but I haven't found it on the ground anywhere either. And the plug is definitely somewhere. I don't see it, so I'm gonna poke the one that's in there in every single hole to see if I can find it. And I'm thinking that it's right there, because that, I don't know, it just went in all the way there too. So this plug has gone all the way into every single one of these holes, which means one of two things. This has fallen out. No, what it means is, look, it didn't break off in there. Look, this whole thing came apart. And instead of breaking, it slid down in there. I don't think that's very safe. Well, at least I know I can use this. But this is safe. I can put that back on. I'm definitely not using that because I don't know anything about electricity. I'm not rewiring that. I'm going to do my thing and call Better Homes and Gardens and let them, because that is not acceptable. Please excuse my nails. I'm doing a 7-day nail treatment on them and I can't put any polish on them and they look horrible. Better Homes and Gardens, I hope you come through with your customer service. Now I remember why this has such a long screw, because I kept plugging stuff in and it kept coming off. That's done. Yay! I purchased my diffuser at a Walmart store and wasn't sure I was going to be able to find a replacement. I went online and Better Homes and Gardens said to contact Walmart to replace the item. So I thought I could buy it online at Walmart, but I'm just going to go in the store and see if they happen to have it in there. I wasn't sure that Walmart was going to take it back because I wasn't sure it fell within the time frame for their policies, but it did. So let's open this one up. It has instructions like the one before. It's just like my beautiful diffuser before. Love it. That part comes off. This part comes off, and that's where you drop the oil in and the water. You replace this, put this back on, and you plug it in and cut it on. So thank you Walmart for honoring the Better Homes and Garden guarantee, and thank you Better Homes and Garden for creating a really good product, except for that one thing. And I'm looking forward to enjoying this again. Here's the new cord. I'm hoping this one lasts Longer than the other one did, but I did use it a lot, so I can't really complain.
Let's just make sure this works. It has a nice long cord on it, which is good because that means you can plug it in and kind of gives you a little bit of, gives you more options about where you want to sit it in your living environment. So we'll plug that in when we get this undone. That comes off. Then pop this open and you put water in there up to the line here. You don't have to put water all the way up to the line, but you don't want to go over. And I'm using some fragrance that I like. It's pretty strong. It's stronger than the Better Homes and Gardens that you buy. You can actually put vanilla flavoring, peppermint scent, anything you want to in here, really. This is a pretty strongly scented oil. And put that on there. Put the top back on. Plug on the bottom. And then a little place to wrap the cord in. I should have done that before I put water in there. So we'll proceed as if I did. And then it has two buttons. One is for the steamer, and you can see that it immediately starts diffusing. Oh, I can smell it already. It puts out a really good, really good stream. That smells so good. Then the other one, a reader had posted about how to make it change color. That's that button. So mine's changing color. It's diffusing the oil very nicely. I think it may be a little bit stronger than the one before. Stronger diffuser. It smells so good in here already. And it goes through several color changes. I have a video up that shows you just that. You can relax to the sight and sounds of the diffuser. I'll link that at the end of this video. Also, I'll link my initial video about the unboxing of my first one, and I also will link a video showing you different types of scents that you can use in there. So you can watch all of those at the end and subscribe to my channel and watch even more product reviews. Lovely. And now all is well with this corner. Isn't it pretty? See how much that's diffusing? It's pretty nice. It lasts for hours. It automatically cuts itself off. Thanks for watching my video about my replacement Better Homes and Garden diffuser. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video if appropriate, leave a comment below, and until next time, make your living environment one that you enjoy. Bye.